Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by capturing accurate dimensions. This is the foundation. Measure along each wall, record door and window positions, and note ceiling heights so rooms stack correctly. Once done, sketch a rough outline on graph paper using a clear scale like 1/4 equals 1 foot. Make sure to mark which walls are load-bearing and where utilities run. This early precision saves hours later, so slow down, double-check numbers, and label each measurement immediately to avoid confusion. Now convert your sketch into a scaled floor plan. Use a straight edge or CAD tool for clean lines. Draw exterior walls first, then add interior partitions and openings to scale, and place plumbing fixtures where they actually sit. This ensures function and code compliance. Once the structure is accurate, insert furniture and appliance footprints to verify clearances and circulation. Make sure to annotate materials, measurements, and directional flow so you can spot conflicts early and iterate before finalizing the layout. Finish by thoroughly reviewing every measurement and label. Check door swings, room names, and add a north arrow for orientation. Once satisfied, tidy the plan with separate layers for walls, fixtures, electrical, and plumbing, then export PDFs and an editable DWG or native file for future edits. If something looks off on site, measure again immediately. This troubleshooting step catches common scale or placement errors. Finally, share the plans with your contractor and keep backup files so you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.